to my channel. So today I am going to show you what the house looked like before and the process of it, what it's looking like now, which you guys, it's looking so good. This property is much smaller than my old home, which guys, I kept the house, don't worry. Of course I kept the house, and there's actually a family in it now. I rented it out. I'm going to keep that house forever. I told you guys my goal in life is to have multiple properties, and yeah, that was my first house. There's no way I would sell it. Yeah, and this is another house under our belts that, you know, me and Chris bought. Now I am going to show you what it looks like now. So before I show you what it looks like now, I will probably do a voiceover and show you in pictures and short videos. Chris, while I was in Florida, filmed a lot of the demo and what it looked like. He didn't talk or anything like that, so that's why I will voice over it, and then I will show you what it looks like now. If you've ever been curious about IKEA cabinetry, then this is the right video for you, sorry. I just had a banana and peanut butter. And also this living room. So I brought my couches into this living room, way too big for this space. This house, or this living room, is much smaller than my old living room. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to custom design a tiny sectional and then do 2 small chairs. I'll show you guys, actually. I'll show you what the space looks like. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna show you what the space looks like right now, just because we are literally living in chaos. There's nowhere to put anything because we are also building a closet and a new bathroom in our master bedroom, which we created into a master bedroom. It wasn't initially, but homegirl needs a closet. We only have 1 bathroom that we're all sharing, me, the twins. I mean, I'm not complaining. Plenty of people share bathrooms, but we are creating an amazing bathroom, you guys. I'm gonna show you what that looks like empty so you can see the change with that. I think it's gonna be so great to see that. I will show you this living room and I will guide you, if you will, to show you how I would like it done. But right now, girl, you would judge me. You would judge me so hard because there's just things everywhere. You can see little sneak peeks. I mean, it's still Christmas back there, and that's because I have nowhere to put everything, but okay, love you guys. All right, so this is what the house looks like original with nothing done. There was a door to the kitchen. Remember this wall, we're gonna remove that, add a wall there for the bedroom. So that initially was not a master bedroom. It was just like a room, if you will, but we turned that into the master bedroom. This is the kitchen area. So straight ahead, that wall is going to be a laundry room. You'll see this stove island, terrible. Look how tiny this kitchen looks. With this wall being gone, I can't wait for you to see. And then, yes, this is like that kitchenette walking area, and this room was supposed to be like the mud room. The room to the right before the wall was taken down was the washer and dryer. Now it's gonna be where the standing shower is with the glass walls, and then over here to the left is going to be the closet. All right, progress on the kitchen. This wall completely down. Flooring is also gone, that horrendous flooring. Beautiful. This was that other room. This is where our fabulous shower is going to be. Look at it, it's all gone. It's demoed, and they've already framed the closet, which I thought would be much smaller than this, but it's actually gonna be very nice. And this is gonna be the entrance to our bedroom, and then from the bathroom. And then we don't have a back door, so this is our back door. And then the vanity is gonna go here, toilet there, shower. I can't wait for you guys to see it completed though. Yeah. Oh, laundry room. Look, so there used to be doors right here opening up this way, and we're gonna put a stacked washer and dryer here. And there's going to be this type of door right there. So yes, this is the living room area. Again, don't mind the decor. I'm getting rid of these couches. You guys know my house was bigger before, but look at this now with the wall gone. It looks so much better. Let me turn on the light. So the countertops are coming on Wednesday. This is where our epic sink is gonna be. This is where the subway tile, white subway tile, is going to be. But how much better does this look, guys? There used to be a massive wall right here and a gross island right there. This actually used to be a closet that led to the garage, and now look, I'm washing clothes in my house. That's the kitchen nook area, and that is where we are. Look at these fabulous floors. They're dirty right now because they just grouted them, but I'm obsessed. It's going to look so great. Just wait until I have it decorated. And I will insert pictures here of the mid-century modern that I'm talking about. So you guys saw this before, and we haven't gotten very far with this, but look, my closet is now done. This is another entryway for the bedroom. This door will stay here. This will be a wall, and then toilet will be here, vanity will be here, amazing shower here. I can't wait to show you guys that. That is gonna be like ridiculous. I can't wait to show you. But all right, I'll let you guys go. Have a fabulous weekend. Love you.